Is it surprising to you that people hate being marketed to? Probably not, because right now skepticism is at an all-time high in our world, yet companies continue to market and market and market and sell. Everybody wants to talk about their company and about their team and the new deal they're running and how awesome their job is and how great it is what they do. And it's all kind of repulsive. We're in a world now where people not only crave authenticity, but they demand it. And that's where tools like video become critical. Instead of talking about how great you are, why don't you show it? Bring people inside your business, show them your craft, show them what you're doing. Be vulnerable. Be as vulnerable as reality and be authentic. Stop hyping yourself up and watch how much you stand out.